Good morning, dear students. I, Sushma Madan from the ST Vidya School, is welcoming you all to the home mentoring session of business study. Today we are going to start the new chapter number 6, that is social responsibility and business ethics. Dear students, in this chapter we will study how the business has to fulfill the other objectives apart from earning profit. In layman's language or in the normal hearing, we always listen these things. बिजनेसमैन है, प्रॉफिट अर्न करता होगा, इसका काम तो ओनली अर्निंग प्रॉफिट है, इसको सोसाइटी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है. बट nowadays, with the societal concept of business study, the business which is not fulfilling the social responsibility, they will be out of the race of the other businesses. You can see many examples how the big businesses are fulfilling the society's responsibilities. For example, you are using the ITC limited company's notebook, that is Classmate. In that notebook, have you read in that notebook that some amount is spent for providing the weaker sections, for providing the different facilities to the weaker sections of the children. ITC primary education program is designed to provide children from the weaker section access to learning with special focus on quality and retention, and they help almost 36,000 children every year. In addition, IT has helped set up supplementary learning centers and strengthen infrastructure in the government schools. So far, over 4 lakh children have been benefited. Now, what is this? ITC is a company. Their main aim is to earn profit. But I have given the example from your register which you are using. It is written at the last page of the register कि how ITC Limited is fulfilling the social responsibility by helping the weaker sections students. Government schools, they are providing the different equipment. So we will study in this chapter how business has to fulfill other objectives apart from the profit motive. Before doing that, we should know what is social responsibility. As you all know, business is a part of society. So every business should do business and earn money in ways that fulfill the aspiration of the society. So social responsibility relates to the voluntary efforts on the part of the businessman to contribute to the social well-being. Businessmen make use of resources of society and earn money from the members of society, so they must do something for the society. But it means, सबको पता है बिजनेस कहाँ होता है सोसाइटी में, किसके साथ होता है, सोसाइटी मेंबर्स के साथ होता है. So it is the duty of the business to fulfill the aspiration, expectation of society, not forcefully, but willfully, so that it can be fulfill the needs of the society. Now we will talk about why the business should fulfill the social responsibility. In this video, I will talk about some arguments which will favor the social responsibility and some arguments which are against the social responsibility. कौन से ऐसे आर्गुमेंट है वो कहते हैं कि बिजनेस को सोसाइटी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को फुलफिल करना चाहिए. पॉइंट नंबर 1, जस्टिफिकेशन फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस एंड ग्रोथ. एज यू ऑल नो, बिजनेस इज डन इन सोसाइटी. अगर सोसाइटी में लोगों की केयर नहीं करेगा, उनकी डिमांड के अकॉर्डिंग नहीं चलेगा, तो बिजनेस थोड़े समय में बंद हो जाएगा. So it is required for the existence of the business कि they should take care of the society. Second point is long-term interest of the firm. A firm can improve the image and builds goodwill in the long run when its highest goal is to serve society. जो बिजनेस अच्छे से काम करता है, माल प्रैक्टिसेस नहीं करता है, एडल्ट्रेशन नहीं करता है, होर्डिंग नहीं करता है, तो उसकी गुडविल बनेगी. गुडविल बनेगी तो दैट बिजनेस विल गो फॉर लॉन्गर पीरियड. Point number 3, avoidance of government regulation. If business is not taking care of society, government will intervene in the working of the business. So to avoid government rule, business should fulfill the social responsibility. Fourth point, availability of resources with business. कहां से business के पास resources आ रहे हैं, चाहे वो finance है, चाहे वो material है, चाहे वो manpower है, it is given by the society, so they should take care of all these resources. Then better environment for doing business. If the business is doing something good for the society, business is creating good environment, because business has to be done in the same environment. Then contribution to the social problem. Some of the problems have been created by the business from themselves. For example, pollution, unsafe work environment, discrimination. Male member will get more salary as compared to female member. So business should take the steps to control all these problems. When they will take these steps, they will do all the things which are helpful for the society. It means they are contributing for the social problems. Now we have good talk about कि business should take care of the society. business को ये करना चाहिए, business को adulteration नहीं करनी चाहिए, business को अच्छे job employment opportunities create करनी चाहिए, pollution free environment करना चाहिए, कुछ society जो weaker section है उसकी help करनी चाहिए. But there are some points which goes against this social responsibility. So let us discuss those points. First point is profit motive. बेटा जब मैंने शुरू में पढ़ाया था, मैंने क्या बताया था? What is the main aim of the business? Business is an economic activity which is done to earn profit. So if business will be going to help society, how they will earn the profit? They have to ignore this motive. If there will be no profit, then what will happen? Business will not survive. How it will be grown? ये ग्रो ही नहीं कर पाएगा. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज बर्डन ऑन कंज्यूमर. अगर बहुत सारा पैसा हम इन्हीं चीजों पे लगा देगा बिजनेसमैन, तो क्या होगा? वो अपने प्रोडक्ट की कॉस्ट इंक्रीज करेगा तो नेचुरली कस्टमर के ऊपर बर्डन है. देन लैक ऑफ सोशल स्किल. बिजनेसमैन इज सो बिजी फॉर परफॉर्मिंग सो मेनी बिजनेस ऑपरेशन. They are not so expert to tackle all these social problems. They are not specialized in that way. And this is the work of the government, it is said by some person. The lack of public support. Generally, public does not like business involvement in the social problem. Because their point of view is that कि business तो earn करने के लिए हुआ profit. अगर वो कुछ सोसाइटी की हेल्प भी कर रहे हैं तो तब भी उनका कोई ना कोई पर्सनल मोटिव होगा. तो पीपल डोंट गिव द सपोर्ट टू द बिजनेसमैन बिकॉज दे डोंट हैव द कॉन्फिडेंस. सो दिस वाज सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ द बिजनेस. कि बिजनेस को अगर सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी करनी है तो कौन से पॉइंट है, अगर नहीं करनी तो कौन से इसके अगेंस्ट पॉइंट है. बट अगर हम कंक्लूजन की बात करते हैं, नाउअडेज बिजनेस शुड fulfill the social responsibility side by side by earning profit. They should give some part of the profit to the society. They should give they should generate some employment opportunity. They should do the business in such a way कि they can cut the cost and जहां से ज्यादा profit आ रहा है and that profit must be utilized for some profit earning for some society. Thank you very much.